All right, today we're going to bring some outdoor speakers, and these are huge speakers. Of course, they give you the long cable, all right, the positive, negative, power cord, and we're going to see if we can move this to the side because this is not focusing right. So we're going to put them like this so you guys can see a little bit better. Now, the speakers themselves are huge. They are super large, and I want to measure them so you guys can see the size of them. All right. Now, these are very simple to actually mount anywhere. Pretty much, you just remove the side panels here. These removable, and then you mount these up. You could zip tie them, you could tie them up, or you could drill them into any kind of fixtures that you have out there. Now, in the back, if you guys can see, you get your negative and positive here, and then you have extra mounts if you have different kinds of mounts too. All right. So now on one of them, you're gonna have to require the power. If you guys can see it, it's actually covered here, and it's outdoor graded. So if it rains or shine, hey, nothing's gonna happen to this. They're very durable. It's very movable, adjustable to your liking. So we're gonna set it out in our pool patio area and set that up and see how loud they are. But first of all, we're gonna set up one, and we're gonna do a Bluetooth on the so we could set up. So they got two options here. All right. So if you do have an amplifier and also an audio area station, you could set this up directly and power it up to there. But today we're gonna actually power it up directly to one system. So because we're gonna do a demo right here, and then we're gonna take it outdoors and set it up. So let's go ahead and set this up and see how well it works. All right. For the Bluetooth, we're gonna say HOS 601. We're gonna go ahead and connect and pair it. Pairing it.
Connected.
And we're connected. This thing is super loud, so I'm not gonna play it too loud. We are gonna turn it down just a little bit, but this thing is extremely loud. I like the powerful speaker it is. So now that we have it connected, we're gonna go ahead and play a YouTube video so you guys could hear it. All right, so this thing is extremely loud. I'm not even raising the audio up, and it's like I could hear it. And that's just one speaker right now that we have, and we're playing it from our phone. So let me stop this because I don't want to get monetized. Very simple to install. It just took me a matter of minutes or seconds to actually set this up. The speaker is very loud, very powerful, very tall and strong, right? I could hear the subwoofer on the actual system itself. So disconnecting it, it's easy. One power source that you're gonna require. Very simple to just install the actual cable and drag it to the next one. This, like I said, it's flexible. You could tie it up here.
All right, now we have the speakers mounted under the patio. We have one speaker here, and we have another speaker here, and the speaker is connected through the red and black cable. Now it's ready for some music. We can pair these speakers, because it's Bluetooth, with our phone, either Android or iOS, and we can play our music through there or any tablet. So I will play a little bit of music and see how it sounds like. But this is perfect for the patio. All right, now we have a little bit of music, background music playing from the speaker. We're not gonna turn it up loud, just we don't want to get the neighbors mad. But here we go. It's working perfectly under the patio.